This is Xiaomi 14, and today I will show how you can run or perform an initial system setup procedure on this device. So to start, choose your language, increase or decrease the text as you please, then tap over here, select your region, wait until it gets set. Here, read and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, the usual stuff. On this stage, you can insert your physical SIM card or set up an eSIM, or you can skip this step and do that later on. That's what I'll do. Here, you are also able to connect your phone to a Wi-Fi, or you can once again skip this step. Here, you gotta select what Google services you agree to use, and then mark them as such. Now you can set up the screen lock, or once again, you can skip this step and do that later on at any given point in the future. Here is the list of basic settings you can enable or disable according to your preference. So do that and continue. Here you are able to select your system font between default and Mi Sans. Now you can set up your lock screen. You can agree on the wallpaper carousel and have this feature enabled, or you can skip the step and have your lock screen in its default state, should I say, just a regular one, but I'll personally will activate this wallpaper carousel. Then decide whether you would like to, whether you have any privacy concerns, should I say, so you can decline the cookies collection and personalized content and cookies, or accept them. I'll just accept. Now select the launcher type you are more accustomed to, or anyway, just select what home screen layout you would like to go with, classic or app drawer. And then just wait for the system to be prepared, and once it will, you are going to be able to start using the device. But as for now, let's wait. So the setup is complete, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.